In this video, we continue topic of trimming in FFStudio. Today we build in a graph using filters. First, create input node and select your file. Add -y as global node for input. Next, create two stream selector nodes, one for video and one for audio. Now the new part. Add two filter nodes, trim for video and a trim for audio. To configure them, right-click and open description. Almost every node has one-to-one description. It's very useful. I will set simple start and end times in seconds. Important to note, filters behave like input nodes. They can output multiple streams, but these streams do not have IDs. That means we cannot use the same logic as input stream selectors. Instead, we must select by name. Let's create two new stream selector nodes. Give each one a custom name for the trim results. Create an output node. Connect your custom streams into it. Run the graph. The result is not what we expect. The media length is 15 seconds instead of 10. Why? In the previous videos, -SS and T did extra work. They recalculated time. Filters do not do this by default. Why not? Imagine trimming only audio for 5 seconds to the end. You still need video and audio sync. So by default, FFmpeg keeps the original PTS. To fix this, we need two more filters, setpts and asetpts. In both, set expression to PTS start PTS. This recalculates shifted timestamps. Add new streams from setpts filters. Route them to the output node. Now run it again. The output is correct, a clean 10 seconds media file. That's it. If you have any questions or problems with FFmpeg graphs, write a comment below. Thanks for watching.